Act on a usage report in Microsoft 365. Welcome to M365 Professional. The Office 365 Admin Center usage reports help you see how employees are using the different services of your Office 365 subscription. We can see all the reports available by going to Reports Usage. On this page, there are cards for quite a few different reports. Find details for any report by selecting one. The Active Users report shows which services are used most by the people in your business. Now let's go ahead and look at the OneDrive report. Here we can see how many people have an account. Although it looks like there are not a lot of people using OneDrive, this is a good opportunity to remind people that if they want to access their business files from any device, they should save them to OneDrive. You can also view the number of total and active files, as well as storage used. To see all the other reports, go to the drop-down menu. Here, we can take a look at the email app usage report and see which methods your employees use the most to access their email. You can also view information specific to an individual, but the details are hidden by default. To show the individual user details, we need to go over to Settings, Services, and Add-ins. In the Report panel, we can turn the anonymous identifier on. Now let's close the panel and come back over to Reports, Usage, and Email Activity. Here we can see information specific to an individual. Remember, if you ever get stuck, you can always go back up to Help, which gives you information about the specific report you are viewing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.